أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والفجر وليال عشر والشفع والوتر والليل إذا يسر هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد إرم ذات العماد التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد وفرعون ذي الأوتاد الذين طغوا في البلاد فأكثروا فيها الفساد فصب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب إن ربك لبالمرصاد فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن كلا بل لا تكرمون اليتيم ولا تحاضون على طعام المسكين وتأكلون التراث أكلا لما وتحبون المال حبا جما كلا إذا دكت الأرض دكا دكا وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا وجيء يومئذ بجهنم يومئذ يتذكر الإنسان وأنى له الذكرى يقول يا ليتني قدمت لحياتي فيومئذ لا يعذب عذابه أحد ولا يوثق وثاقه أحد يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية فادخلي في عبادي وادخلي جنتي.
By the dawn and by 10 nights by the even and odd contrasted and by the night when it departs. Is there not in all that an oath sufficient for one of perception? Have you not considered how your Lord dealt with Ad, with Iram, who had lofty pillars, the like of which were not created in the land? And with Samud, who carved out the rocks in the valley? And with Pharaoh, lord of stakes? All of whom oppressed within the lands and made therein much mischief. So your Lord poured upon them a scourge of punishment, indeed, your Lord is in observation. And as for man, when his Lord tries him and thus is generous to him and favors him, he says, my Lord has honored me. But when he tries him and restricts his provision, he says, my Lord has humiliated me. No. But you do not honor the orphan, and you do not encourage one another to feed the poor. And you devour the inheritance all with greed. and you love wealth with immense love. Nay, when the earth is ground to powder, and your Lord comes with the angels in rows, and brought within view that day is hell, that day man will remember, but what good to him will be the remembrance? He will say, "Oh, I wish I had sent ahead some good for my life." So on that day none will punish as he will punish, and his bonds will be such as none other can bind. To the righteous it will be said, "O reassured soul, return to your Lord, well-pleased and pleasing to him, and enter among my righteous servants and enter my paradise."
نحن أعلم بما يقولون وما أنت عليهم بجبار فذكر بالقرآن من يخاف وعيد.
We are most knowing of what they say, and you are not over them a tyrant. But remind by the Quran whoever fears my threat.